What is up, YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my review of the Adidas Yeezy V2 Static. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce another giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you hit the notification bell, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Go! I love this sneaker for two reasons. Number one, it was one of the easiest cops for me for a Yeezy sneaker in my entire life. And number two, I really believe, I honestly believe that this is one of the best, not just Yeezys to drop in the last 6 months or in 2018, but it is indeed one of the best sneakers to come out in the last maybe, 4 to 6 months. Why do I say that? It takes the very best of what the V1 Yeezy Wave Runner had, the OG model, and then they upgraded the upper with a much more unique, futuristic, sleek profile that just really captured my attention and my imagination. Again, please take note that when it comes to style and preference, we all have our own tastes, we all have our own preferences. It just so happens that the overall styling vibe of this one just connects to me, and it is something that I really want to rock and I really want to wear in the coming weeks and months ahead. So let's get to the review. What did they keep from the original V1 and kept with the V2 model? Now, it really boils down to the midsole. You still have that chunky, nice white midsole that the Wave Runner popularized, and then you have, of course, the boost material that's inside of the sneaker, and of course you have the black outsole, which adds durability and traction to the shoe. Now, when it comes to the upper, it's really mostly different. While the overall profile is very similar, the materials, the design, the styling, and the vibe is really something else. This one is more modern, it's more futuristic. It has a sleeker vibe compared to the wavy / retro color blocking of the original Wave Runner. So let's go over the materials. If you take a look at the upper, you now have leather overlays, specifically by the edges of the lateral and the medial side. That's the white material that you guys see here, which gives it a more luxe feel, a more luxury feel. And that's definitely needed. Why? Because the retail of this beast is really crazy high. In the Philippines, they sell it for 16,000 pesos. In Japan, they sell it for 37,000 yen without tax. So that equates to around 18-something thousand pesos if you buy it in Japan. With that kind of price tag, you need luxe materials, and it's a good addition to have some sort of leather in different parts of the shoe. Apart from the leather, you also have 3M material or reflective material. When light hits it, when flash hits it, it gives off a very shiny glow. Now, what I love about how they implemented 3M for the Yeezy 700 V2 is that it seamlessly blends into the overall style of the sneaker. It doesn't take too much attention. It doesn't take like anything away from the sneaker, but it actually adds value by enhancing the overall theme and sleek modern vibe that the shoe wants to capture. They strategically place the 3M along the medial and lateral sides in that curved kind of 3M stripes that you see here along the side. So that's the 3 stripes that Adidas usually uses to signature their shoe. So you have it both on the medial and the lateral side. You have a bit at the front, and then you have a bit at the back. So it's just the right amount of 3M material to give that extra oomph to the shoe. Versus, of course, if you take a look at the 3M version that they did with the static 350 Boost V2, 3M is just all over the shoe, right? So it's a great way that they did a really great job in implementing the 3M strips on this particular sneaker. Speaking of style, I just love the color blocking of the shoe as well. It's basically your whites, grays, and beiges, which is very easy to wear, very easy to pair with any outfit that you have, which is something you can't say for the previous 2 models of the Wave Runner. You mean the mauve is you have those dark brown colors, and then you have the OG Wave Runner with just scream 90s with the color blocking. This one is very simple, very futuristic, very modern, very easy to pair with any outfit that you guys have in your closet. My favorite way to wear it when I was in Japan was really just a champion blue hoodie with an overcoat. It was really cold in Japan. And then I had like my above the ankles jogger pants with the white stripe along the side, and then topping it all off with this shoe. And lastly, they upgraded the comfort. How did they do that? Just picking up the shoe, you can already tell that it is lighter compared to the mauve or the V1 OG Yeezy Wave Runner. Apart from the lighter material, you also have a really nice insole with the Yeezy Ortholite insole that you guys see here. It is the same insole that you find with the Yeezy 500, one of the most underrated sneakers from the Yeezy line when it comes to overall comfort and performance. Now, having said that, how is it on feet? How do you feel when you walk with this? You definitely feel the lightness compared to the V1 models of the Yeezy 700. The cushioning is definitely amazing, but it is still nowhere near the type of cushioning and feel and comfort that you get with the 350 Boost or the Yeezy 500. I would have to say that this is still slightly below the Yeezy 500 when it comes to comfort, and it is still not too close, of course, to the overall experience when you are wearing a 350 Boost Yeezy. However, as far as dad shoes go, I really think that this is one of the most comfortable sneakers out there in the market. When it comes to chunky sneakers, it's usually heavy, clunky, and not too comfortable. You get the complete opposite with this one. It is lightweight, it has excellent cushioning, and it's just amazing to wear. Speaking of dad shoes, I honestly thought that the king of dad shoes and sneakers for 2018, or at least early into 2019, would remain with Puma, with the Puma Thunder Spectra. I'd have to say though that this sneaker pretty much stole the throne back to Kanye and to Adidas. For me, guys, this is the best dad shoe slash chunky sneaker that you can get in the market today. With that in mind, I highly recommend this shoe. If you guys are in the market for a chunky sneaker, a shoe with this kind of vibe, you might want to get your hands on it. The great thing about it right now is that the resale prices aren't horrible. They're not rape levels when it comes to the resale prices. Now, this one, like I mentioned, sold for like 16,000 pesos in the Philippines. You can get it for around 20 to 24,000 depending on the reseller that you talk to. So it's not that far. Just to give you guys context, when the first OG Wave Runner came out, it was sold for 16,000, but the resale value went all the way up to like 35 to 40,000 pesos. When it comes to sizing, I would suggest that you guys go through to size. That's what I did. I'm a size 12. I got this in size 12 as well, and the fit was perfect. So in closing, I really love the static release of Kanye and Adidas. Everything from the 350 Boost static non-reflective that I have over here, to the reflective 350 Boost V2 again that I have over here, and lastly, the static 700 V2 that we just reviewed. All of them for me are great sneakers. If you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, a little more affordable, the resale value of the non-reflective is pretty good right now, slightly above retail. If you are looking for something high-end, super high-end, then you might want to go with the reflective 350 Boosts. The resale value are, I think, somewhere around 40,000, 30 to 40,000 pesos. And if you want like something chunky that delivers something different, you might want to go with this one. Among the three, this is my favorite. This, I think, beats the 350 Boost reflective, and this definitely beats the 350 Boost static. This year, I really can't think of a lot of sneakers that I would confidently say that I want to double up on. Double upping on a sneaker means you would want to buy like multiple pairs, maybe 2 or 3, just to be able to have a backup in case you wear the heck out of your first current pair. This is a sneaker that I would love to double up on, and I think I will. I'll probably buy an extra pair, not because I want the resale value to go up and then I'll sell it a few years from now, mainly because I really feel that I will wear the heck out of this first pair to the point that it'll be hard to restore and clean, and it would be good to just have a backup pair that I was able to buy at a good price later on, years from now, in pristine condition. So again, it's not to sell, it's really something more of a backup because I really feel that I will rock the heck out of this in the coming months ahead. So that's actually it for this vlog, guys. Please don't forget that I have an entire Japan playlist of all the vlogs and all the videos that I did while I was in Japan. I'll put a link down below in case you guys haven't watched that yet. I had a video on Shibuya sneaker shopping guide. I had a sneaker shopping guide for Harajuku. We did how to customize your Air Force One at the Nike Kicks Lounge in Harajuku. We did like a bunch more of other stuff. I'm also going to upload a few more videos on that series in the coming days ahead. So make sure that you guys check out that playlist and watch every single video from it. It would mean the world to me. Just click the link down below for that one. That's it for now. I hope you all had a great new year. I hope you all had a great Christmas. And I pray that this year, 2019, will be a breakthrough year for all of you guys. I hope that this year you will get your promotions, that you will get your increases, that you guys will get your fat bonuses that you've been waiting for. To those who are in debt, I pray that this year all your debts will be gone, will be clean, you will have a fresh start. And I pray to those who are sick, those who are feeling sickness and have like those who are already feeling losing hope, that this year will be a year of miracles for you. Let's claim that 2019 will be the best year ever for us, for our health, for our finances, for our career, for our families, and for our lives. That's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom!